you're 22. Two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22. Two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. 22 going on 23. You look prettier when you're fucking with me. For me to see, I'ma show you what it means to be loved.
It is Sunday, the 20th day of April, 2025. And you know what they say about the 20th day of April? The aficionados of that beautiful cannabis plant, they call it 420. And no better place to be right now than with the Cooyah crew and the Cooyah family celebrating this long-time Jamaican brand, Cooyah for the ladies, Cooyah for the gentlemen, here at Skippers Boulevard in Port Antonio, GeeJam Beach. We're going to have a ball. It's all about fashion, lifestyle, and what the Jamaican feeling has to offer. Don't you go anywhere. Make sure you subscribe and share Ramona Samuels TV.
I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that get pose like the Baba Frayo. Don't cry yo. And if we go and shadow, and if we go and shadow, and if we go and shadow.
It's all about the 420 vibe brought to you by Cooyah. And I had to catch up with none other than the founder himself, the big man, the boss, the idea, right? His name is Homer. Homer, I've been watching the Cooyah brand since I was a teenager. I said it to you earlier. I have Cooyah as a lifestyle Caribbean brand, a Jamaican brand, a homemade thing. And I've always loved the designs, how comfortable it is, how much you inject the Jamaican identity and colors. Tell me everything that those who are listening and watching may not know about Cooyah right now, because it's so important that we know everything about the depth of the Cooyah brand.
Well, that's true. Cooyah started in 1987. Cooyah means since life. We started this journey in New York and came to Jamaica. And we figured at this point, where could we be huge? And we want to express the culture and also Rastafarian colors. So Cooyah been on this journey since 1987. And basically, you see, tonight, the 420 is just the celebration of the stores. We have 2 stores, Kingston, which is 3 years, Montego Bay is 2 years. So tonight is just a celebration of the Cooyah, the Jamaican culture, the Jamaican colors in a massive way.
What is that one thing about Cooyah that is factual and actual that the fans and the lovers of the Cooyah brand might not know?
They might not know, but actually we're Jamaicans, started out in New York. Cooyah now run under, there's a company, Kemet. Gary Cardner, the CEO of Kemet, who's also a director of Cooyah. And this was even his concept to bring Cooyah back strong to the Jamaican, because we're out of the market for a while. And Gary came and said, hey, we got to get back in the market. And he just decided to build us some stores, we partner, and we just started it. His wife, Diane God, is also part of it. She's the CFOO at the company. And with her direction, as far as the fashion, aiding us with the fashion show tonight, you're going to see a cool fashion show. Because we're about culture, we're about Rasta, and we're about cool.
Now, if you could use one word to describe Cooyah, what would that word be?
I would say strength. Strength cover us. And if you listen to what we do today, Cooyah, the C in Cooyah means Caribbean, because we encompass the whole Caribbean. And we're the comeback kid, and we don't stop. A couple weeks ago, people saw what we do with Grand Slam. We did a capsule for Grand Slam and propelled the Jamaican colors to the front again one more time. Because we are the fastest people in the world. And for me, I'm proud. I'm from Kingston College, KC, purple and white, 40s. So hey, anytime, you see, you will always see a purple shirt in Cooyah lineup.
Wow, I love that. And I wasn't even expecting that especially because of those recognizable colors, the yellow, the green, and the red. And now knowing about that purple and the attachment of the purple, that's that inside thing that we all now know, that you revealed to us. And as you said, when you were a little bit out of the spotlight or not necessarily on the market, would you believe that I missed Cooyah? And I'm telling you that, it's not just a say, because I was familiar with the brand from I was in 9th grade and seeing how much the re-emergence and the re-imaging of what Cooyah is, but yet still the core of what the brand represented, the heartbeat of the Caribbean, the culture of the Caribbean. It means a lot to the people, and to have that brand as a homemade brand to identify with, it means a lot. Going out there to the world, because it's more than just fans of fashion, it's fans of music, fans of Rastafari. And how important is that?
It's very important. That's why we try to identify the red, gold and green from the green, yellow, black. And we show them this is a Jamaican, but some people just identify it as both. So it's no big deal to us. Representing the culture of Jamaica every day.
Congratulations to you, happy 420 and happy anniversary, Cooyah!
Big up, Cooyah. Thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Toronto, but I spend my winters in the grill. So all my friends are in Kingston, and I came to Kingston for Easter weekend, and they brought me to the party.
Wonderful. But it's not your first time in Jamaica or anything?
It's not my first time in Jamaica, but it's my first time in Portland.
Wonderful.
And I'm having the best
Portland,
time.
it's a part of my life.
It's all vibes.
Definitely. And I love that you're enjoying the culture. Tell me what's your favorite thing about Jamaica?
That's so hard.
Everything.
Everything.
Yeah. All right, baby. It's all about the party and who is at the party and what we're doing at the party. And you know, Samabaka, a tall gentleman, nice locks and things. And I had to find out what his name was. And he told me it's Arcane. But it's not any ordinary gentleman. He's an artist, an entertainer. Tell us all about where you're from and why you're here tonight.
Well, originally from New York, but you know, we have Jamaican family. So, you know, we stick to the roots and we do dance and music. So, you know, we just out there enjoy the vibes. Cooyah keep an event and we out there enjoy it, you know.
This is your first time coming to any Cooyah event?
Yeah. First time. Love the vibe.
And what brought you out tonight?
Out tonight, well, you know, say, my friend did play DJ Irene, so big up Irene.
She was so good, I loved it.
So, you know, so we come support her, and you know, we just there, all our vibe still. Yeah.
All right, Arcane, good to see you. Let us know where we can find you online and listen to your music.
Yeah, man. For Instagram, YouTube, Spotify, anything. ARQANEMUSIQ. That's a Arcane Music with a Q, not a C. You see it, pray. Just make sure you remember it.
All right, then, yeah. Cooyah, baby. Portland style. It's all about the culture. We are ready, baby. Up and happening in here. Now, I don't know if you glimpsed earlier some beautiful paintings. And I'm sure you saw this adorable, lovely in the background as well. Who knows? I am obsessed with your work. Hello, her name is Simone G from Montego Bay. How are you?
I am doing lovely, thank you. How about you?
I'm great. And I feel even better because, as I said, I love your work. I was witnessing it earlier up there and here now for the 420 vibe. It's happening. Tell me about what it is that you're doing, the type of artistry and the feel of everything.
That's a lot of questions in one. Well, Homer asked me to do a mural, so I really was trying to concentrate on how could I bring 420 and the Cooyah Beach vibe and everything all in one. So that's what the mural is about. And of course, we want to celebrate 420, so letting everybody know. But my inspiration for my work comes from nature, really. Like everything is about nature, even though it's not exactly about nature. But I really inspired by the earth.
And if we want to find you, because your work is obviously very impressive, where can we find you?
I am in Montego Bay, but you can find me on Instagram, SimoneG.artist.
So let me ask you the question now. You get down with that 420 vibe, or?
Of course I do.
Of course she does. And little later I might see you with something.
I'm surprised I don't have one now, but
Oh my God.
yes, you will. And it's part of my inspiration for sure. The
Lovely.
and everything.
All right, Simone G, thank you very much. Keep up the great work. Now, I am a woman, so it's only natural. Yeah, thank you, Burger. All right, you're the selector, big weapon of the dance, because we're live, and we're active. And as a woman, it's only natural that would have find some man, right? I mean, duh, I'm out partying, and I'm here now with Prince, Drew, and I'm BX. And it's all about 420 at Cooyah. Walk on.
Cooyah, straight up.
Where are you from?
I'm from here.
Where?
I'm from here, Jamaica. But
Okay, nice. And you guys are out tonight partying because of Cooyah.
Cooyah, straight up to the max.
Right.
Cooyah.
Nice. I love that. Prince, you wear a Cooyah. Walk on.
There.
You there? You look so cool.
And we're here.
Oh gosh, I know, right?
Prince.
He's one of the models tonight. But yes, sister, why me they come over car? Me the suspects out me. You know them where they? Prince, talk to us about tonight, your look and everything that you are.
Well, we're really low key, but tonight's all about Cooyah, so.
Tonight's all about Cooyah. So you're a model officially?
Officially, yeah.
Yeah? And where are you from?
Bronx, New York.
Nice.
This is the debut, so everybody look out for Prince.
Everybody look out for Prince. This is debut. So, BX, you're also here supporting Prince for his modeling debut?
No, I'm not modeling, but I'm here supporting my friend Prince. Big up Cooyah, coming from the Bronx. Big up, big up, big up.
Did you know that Cooyah started in New York, I believe? Yeah.
Yeah, Cooyah big, worldwide. We are globalize this thing, you see me?
All right, now, are you a big 420 supporter?
Yes, every year. From Cooyah Open, I'm a big supporter, you see me? Yeah, this is my barber right here.
All right.
His shop is right next to Cooyah.
A lie. Him say you have shop next to Cooyah.
Yeah. The barber shop.
All right, nice.
In the same plaza, right around the corner. The red door.
Love that. Now, Prince, back to you. Are you nervous for the fashion show?
No, never nervous, always ready.
Okay. Did you get to choose your looks, or you just working with what they gave you to model?
Play any cards we get.
All right. Anybody out there you want to shout out and big up? Because you're there with a large TV station, you know. Ramona Samuels TV on YouTube, you know, babes. Thing heavy, you know.
Shout out to Felissa Williamson for winning 7 events.
All right. So, guys, there's not much more that I can say. Fashion, food, drinks, New York, Brooklyn, Trinidad and Tobago, Jamaica, Antigua and Barbuda, Africa, Ghana, Zimbabwe. It's all about Cooyah, and we're having a ball. Woo! All right, I caught up with a beautiful and familiar face. If you don't know her, her name is Emily. That's right?
Baby. Hi, Emily Newland.
Emily Newland, it's such a pleasure to see you. I love the outfits. And you're always a girl that when you come out, you come out. But what particular role did you play here today at the Cooyah 420 anniversary show and party?
Alright, well, I helped with the runway. I was behind the scenes today and to ensure that the camera crew captured everything that we needed.
All right, and talk to me about your look. Is this something that you put together? Somebody chose it for you? You had it in your closet? Tell me about it.
Well, I heard Cooyah, so I had like our own Miss Marina, and I just decided to get creative because Cooyah kind of gave me that energy. Yeah, so it was all made last night with a friend of mine, with the help of my goddaughter.
Wow, lovely.
Yeah.
Nice. All right, so give me a spin so them know what we are talking about. Flash, give them a walk. Yeah, chat more, man. Cause when girl look nice, you know, you have to just give them that spotlight there, right?
Let's talk about the fashion show. Cooyah fashion show was world class. Like it wasn't an island thing, it was world class, guys. So you guys missed out.
All right, thank you, darling, and all the success to you.
Thank you.
All right, my people, that's where I say adios, hasta mañana, hasta luego. Like, subscribe, and share. I can't describe the vibe. You've been watching, so you've seen what it's like. From the music, to the people, to the everything that the whole vibe and experience and the energy was. I also want to say that the fashion show as well stood out for me. One of my favorites was Earl Turner, also known as Biggie. And of course, all the models, the DJs, Burger Man, big up yourself, DJ Cryptic, Irina, I hope I'm saying that right, that female DJ is so petite and sweet. And I also want to say a special thank you to the Cooyah team and my producer, Alexander Bryan. Ramona Samuel signing out from Port Antonio, GeeJam Beach. It's been a ball. Don't you forget to share this video, family and friends.